Hello everyone, and today is gonna be a drawing video on how to draw the elephant shrew. Honestly, the elephant shrew is probably one of my favorite animals. At least one of my favorite like macro-sized animals, just based on how it looks. Yeah. So let's start. Start off with the head. And let me see. Get the camera a little closer. Start off with the head. Then I'm gonna draw the body like this. The body is like I'm gonna draw the tail. I guess they do have a long tail. Yeah, they do have a long tail and stuff. Mm. Long tail like this. And gonna draw the leg. Let me see. Uh, I'm gonna draw the let me see. Okay. I'm gonna draw the belly. Kind of looks like a little bit like a rat, but the limbs are longer. Yeah, the limbs are way like long. Maybe there's some more corrections. There's some corrections. Let's put the arm closer to the body like this. Mm. Mm. I'm gonna draw the. I guess I can draw the face right now. Draw his long nose. They call it elephant shoes because I have a trunk similar to an elephant and stuff. Now let's show the large eyes. They kind of have large eyes too. Hmm. What else details I can add? But I guess I can add more fur details, like certain parts of its body is more. Let me see. I guess I can shade it. Yeah, I guess I can shade it. Hello, I'm back. I kind of had to re-edit the video because I thought I thought it wasn't recording right. So let's continue. Kind of a blue, that kind of like a reddish tint on their from their faces a little bit. Yeah, they're really dark. They're like a black reddish color. I mean, I guess that's how you can tell they're not rats. Yeah, due to their fur, color of their fur. Yeah, I decided to might as well color it too. So they have a reddish face too for some reason. I got a red color pencil here, so it's kind of like a reddish brown color for some reason on their face. I guess like a red orangey, like a red orange. Yeah, I don't have a red orange color. I guess I can add a little bit of orange. Ah, jeez, the pencil is breaking. Yeah, that's the problem with the color pencils. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And maybe get closer to the face, it gets more like yellowish. You get closer to the face. I'm gonna color the ear too, the inside of the ear a little bit, and then go over it with yellow. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go over this with yellow too. My for the rest of the body. So let's go over it with some yellow because I think it's orange. It's kind of like a reddish orange color when you get closer to the nose. Let me see if you can get some yellow here. Let me see. Yeah, some yellow here. I guess I can color the whole face red. Yeah, I might just color the whole face red and then go over it with yellow. And now let's go over with yellow to make it go orangey. Mm, mm. I think his ear's a little yellow too. And now let's go over red again. Let's go over a little red. Yep. I guess I can. Yeah, it's getting color from my finger. Not my finger. My It's getting shaded with my hair, bottom of my hand. Yeah. Let me see. What's the pencil? Oh, here it is. Mm, 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 mm. This sort of lines like a rat does. His tail and stuff. Since his shoes are probably closer related to elephants than they are to actual rodents. Yep. This is what I use. I use this photo, or I use reference from this photo too. See, kind of like a reddish fur and yellow, and it's black on the backside right here. Yeah, that's why reference I used. So that's how you draw the elephant shoe. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and that's it.